Hey guys, what is up? It is Ryan Sneaks, and today I'm going to be doing some more reviews for you guys. I got some more stuff in. I had a pretty cool event that happened at work, so I have some stuff that I picked up that I just want to throw some reviews up for you guys. So at my work, we had a special night where we got 40% off the whole store. I ended up picking up a bunch of Christmas presents, stuff for my girlfriend, stuff for my little brother, my parents, just pretty much anybody that needed something. I was able to get them something. For me, I kind of skipped out on that because I ended up picking up the Jordan 11s that I did a video on, and then there's also the Gatorade 6s this weekend, so there was quite a few things that are coming out that I'm just having to save my money for. But I did ask my little brother if I could do a review on these shoes for him, and of course he said yes. It's going to be another Vapormax, as you can see from the box. This one is in the Midnight Fog multicolor colorway. Now personally, to me, this is one of my favorite colorways that we have at the store, and one of my favorite colorways of the Vapormax that's out right now. The only reason I do not have this pair is because it looks a little bit too similar to the triple black that I have. I'm trying to get the best color representation on camera for you guys. It's like a very dark gray, and the swoosh right here is iridescent, so in different lighting it turns different colors. But like I said, it's a little dark, so I just kind of don't pick. I want them, I really do. It's just they're a little bit too close to the triple blacks that I have, because I have that first pair that released that has that gray peppered in and stuff like that, so it's a little bit too similar. This year is the first Vapormax my little brother's had, so he doesn't really have anything quite this color. He did want the cookies and cream colorway of the Vapormax, but he also has the Oreo Flyknit Racer, so I told him, you know, it's kind of the same thing, let's get you something a little bit different. And I showed him this one, and the swoosh, the way it kind of reflected, he really liked that, and then just the color is just a dark color that can pretty much go with anything, so he ended up going for this one in a 9.5, which was just true to size. I told him I go true to size, so I would just kind of go the same way. Overall, I mean, I think the shoe is, like I said, one of my favorite colorways. There are a different version of this one. It's actually the Vapormax, I think it's called the R for men, it's CS for children. It's not Flyknit, it's going to be mesh with like some overlays on it, and it has a reflective swoosh, and it's in that midnight colorway as well. But this one is just Midnight Fog, which is like a dark gray. The other one is more of a navy blue. Now this one is dark gray all throughout the toe, and it does have some hits of navy blue throughout. But the big seller for me is really that iridescent swoosh. It's the only Vapormax I see out with it right now, and I just think it's a really dope concept and a really dope look on the sneaker. Now when it comes to the air bubble, it's kind of like just a smoky gray. It's not a true black, I'd say, and then you get your outsole, it's the same color. Pretty much just a very simple shoe, and it's not very loud and in your face, but then the silhouette is pretty different, so you get that mix of like loud and out there, and then also just really subtle. So I think if this is going to be a sneaker that you're trying to pick up, if it's like one of your first Vapormaxes, super easy colorway to go with, just really clean and simple, and then it has some flair to it, and then of course the design. I asked him what he thinks of them so far, and he likes them, so I mean, like I told him, I gave him the whole rundown, you know, you got to wear them a couple times before they actually start to break in, and you feel like the comfort and the bounce on them. He's had them for about 3 days now, and he's worn them 3 days in a row, and he says he has no problems with them. My concern really was that the sizing was going to be a little bit different for him, but he fits the same in this as he does Flyknit Racers. Hey, that is going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys next time.